best way to process confusing thoughts is with a trusted friend or mentor. That when we try to sort through things in our own head, we can get stuck on a hamster wheel that just goes round and round and round. We call it rumination. And it doesn't actually lead anywhere. It just runs in circles, causes our anxiety to go up, stresses us out more, can cause more intrusive thoughts that are not helpful. And so when we process it with another human, a trusted person who's wise and that we can count on them to be discreet and confidential and sharing our business, but that care about us, and we process it out loud with them, they're able to help us organize it, ask questions, make sense, normalize it sometimes. And that makes it a linear process where we move from the thought or experience that we're having to some understanding around it and able to come to peace with it in a way that it's just impossible to do on your own. We just can't do it in our own head. We need other people. And so find you a good friend, find you a good mentor, and talk it out.